Buying crypto with your hard-earned money is easy. There are a lot of exchanges that make that possible. But putting money into crypto is risky, and the price of coins can sway like we have now and make you feel somewhat insecure about your investment. We all know how much value cryptocurrencies command, whether in a bullish or bearish market. So it's interesting to see how you can earn free crypto with little to no investment. This video will look at the surefire ways to pocket some cryptocurrencies for free without spending a dime. Number 1. Coinbase Learning. Coinbase is a US-based crypto giant that is highly respected. Besides just being a platform that allows you to buy and store your crypto assets, it also doubles as a means of earning a few cryptocurrencies. There are less than 100 cryptocurrencies enlisted on Coinbase, and out of this minor list, you'll find notable coins like BTC and ETH. Coinbase remains one of the few exchanges that enable you to earn free cryptocurrencies. You can easily earn crypto rewards through the Coinbase Earn interface. It's by far the least stressful way to earn on the platform. You get paid for learning about the basics of some cryptocurrencies, and you don't have to visit Google or sit for lengthy lectures to get some reading material. You simply watch a few short videos about cryptocurrencies, subscribe to the programs, and try out a quiz. You'll be rewarded with the corresponding token if you pass the quiz. Users have received tokens via the Learn program, including Zcash, Ox, EOS, Celo, The Graph, Stellar Lumens, etc. Number 2. Binance Learn and Earn. Binance Learn and Earn is a reward educational program sponsored by the Binance Academy. It's a safe and fun way to learn about the blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Watch a video, finish a 3-question quiz, and correctly answer the questions to receive free cryptocurrency. Binance will credit the cryptocurrency you learn about into your account. The program's a great way to get various cryptocurrencies for free. Some of the tokens you can earn for free via the Learn and Earn platform include Dogecoin, Tezos, Rune, Lido, Anchor, Harmony One, Quantum, etc. 3. Crypto staking. A lot of cryptocurrencies use the POS mechanism nowadays. It's an effective way to validate their transactions without third-party involvement. These cryptocurrencies often involve users who contribute to the security of the network. They do this by locking a portion of their holdings in a staking pool for a period. During this locking period, they can earn a percentage of transaction fees, which will be added to increase their holdings for as long as they're a part of the pool. If you stake 32 ETH and earn 2 ETH within a locking period, your stake due for the withdrawal is 34 ETH. Some of these cryptocurrencies allow compounding. You can stake coins like ETH, Cosmos, and Tezos on Coinbase's main app and earn up to 5% interest. The system's likely to reinvest your staking capital and the profits over and over. The profits will continue to accrue, earning you more free tokens. I recommend this option if you intend to hold crypto for a long time. 4. Convert your fiat dollars into stablecoins. Staking on any platform has a downside, and the downside is that crypto prices are volatile and tend to change a lot. The alternative would to be buy stablecoins like the USD or DAI. These coins can earn you rewards for just buying and holding them. You can earn 2% APY rewards for holding DAI and 0.15% for holding USDC. On websites like Accrue, you can open a crypto savings account and get up to 12% interest on stablecoins. Even though it involves several necessary steps, creating an account is less time-consuming than you may think. Without returning to the platform for any further input, anyone can finish them and start earning daily interest. Put your money down just once to earn compound interest. Other popular cryptocurrency websites offer interest rates on different crypto assets, but this time our focus is on stablecoins. The following cryptocurrencies, saving accounts providers ought to be on your radar if you're looking to earn a lot of interest on your stablecoin holdings. Another well-liked option for investors looking to invest their money for the best return is Nexo. There's a chance for asset growth through cryptocurrency investments, which support 38 different digital assets. 2018 saw the launch of Nexo, which now has over 4 million users. Given that Nexo offers daily crypto holdings interest payments similar to Accrue, it's not surprising. However, Nexo uses Nexo tokens to distribute accumulated interest. Another example is Curve. The platform is an essential component of the DeFi ecosystem and uses the CRV token as a governance mechanism. Crypto investors typically use it to swap stablecoins or offer liquidity to Curve pools in exchange for commissions. Simple stablecoins like DAI, USDC, USDT, TUSD, BUSD or SUSD can be deposited to Curve and automatically convert into CRV tokens for the compound pool by the system. You can receive a return in addition to compound interest for providing liquidity on Curve. Number 5. Crypto lending. Various platforms, including the Coinbase we discussed earlier, offer their own lending services. Holding your dollars in a traditional savings account is quite challenging. Besides the heavily regulated system, it also yields meager interest. Holding stablecoins can allow you to do the same, but with a much more profitable return. You can invest in centralized finance products from CeFi that promise an effective yield when you keep your dollars in stablecoin format. It also makes sense as a low-risk investment that can yield up to 4% APY for USDC. The only risk is that there's no insurance on the coins you lend. On the other hand, you can lend your crypto out through decentralized finance, DeFi. This is only for those comfortable with a level of risk that promises higher returns than a CeFi lending system. DeFi is still an emerging technology, and while it promises to generate an unpredicted amount of free tokens for your investments, it's risky. DeFi allows a transparent and peer-to-peer lending system that offers greater rewards than the traditional banking system does. The rewards are generated from the interest charged to those that borrow tokens. To do this, you need a crypto wallet compatible with the DeFi apps, example, Binance's Trust Wallet and Coinbase's wallet. You can try out noteworthy DeFi protocols that offer excellent lending services, for example, Aave and Compound. A platform like Coinbase can give up to $10 worth of BTC to its users to invite their friends to use it. Binance has an attractive new user voucher bonus that promises new users up to 15 BUSD when they first join the platform. Number 6. Performing tasks with free cash. Free Cash is a platform that works with marketing and research companies via advertisements to provide incentives for participants who carry out specific tasks on their platform. You can earn free cryptocurrencies by completing these offers and region-specific surveys. Alternatively, Free Cash earned coins can be used to purchase gift cards, Counter-Strike Global Offensive skins, etc. Other characteristics include 1. Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Litecoin, or more instant cryptocurrency cash outs starting at 10 cents. Number 2. Play games while finishing other tasks. You can make up to $20 per day via this platform. It depends on how many surveys or marketing campaigns you get involved in daily. It's easy to register. Just log in with your Google or Steam account. Additionally, you can start by registering by email. Number 7. Cryptocurrency airdrops. In the last 2 years, airdrops have become more popular, giving most collectors up to 5-figure airdrops, and they can get thousands of dollars per drop. The distribution of the Bored Ape Yacht Club token, APE, saw early adopters get up to 10,000 tokens that turned out to be worth about $100,000. When the ENS token airdrop launched on October 31st, it rewarded its early adopters with $10,000 worth of ENS, even for those who bought only $50 worth of the token. The users then had the choice to either use the tokens in the network's governance or sell them for profit. There are a lot of airdrops to look forward to, and users can earn millions of dollars before the end of the year if they find legit airdrops. Yes, this means more scams in the pool than legitimate ones. Relying on airdrops provided by platforms like Coinbase and Binance offers excellent security if you meet their eligibility requirements. Getting airdrops via decentralized apps or wallets may offer a high degree of profitability. The way airdrops like Uniswap, BNB, Ape, and even Dogecoin keep motivating people to hunt for more free tokens that offer great rewards. People have earned free tokens, while others have lost their entire portfolios to scammers who gained access to their wallets and stole all the other tokens they were saving for long-term investment. What other ways can people use to earn free cryptocurrencies? Drop a comment below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time we post a new video. Catch you in the next one.